Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to add location on Instagram post. So let's get started. What you're going to do is go to open your Instagram. And now this is your Instagram. The first thing here, the next thing you're going to do is click on this plus menu button here. Now click on post story. And I'm gonna choose any story you want to post. Let me do something here now. Click on next. Now once you click on next here, you need to click on next again, and now you can see add location. Just click on add location, and here you have to give access to your location by click on continue. And now you can see is your precise location you approximate all of this time. Now we're going to find your location. I'm going to search for the location that I am now. uh, let's see, just put in the current location that you are and the access. You can see this is it. You can see, so I'm going to put let me see, I'm gonna put exact location I am now, and it's going to search out for you, and this is it. Wow, you can see. Let me put my complete. So once you have seen it has bring it out, just click on next. Here I'm gonna put, let me see, yes, just click on next, and this is it. Now you can see it is already included on your post. Let me click on, I'm not gonna add tag people here, and I'm going to tag any people here. I'm not going to add any music, so I'm going to just click on share, and we're going to see our post being shared now. Let's wait. You can see this is it. This is my location. This is it. You can see the location under it. This is the location under it. You can see. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.